Why do some designs feel cheap while others feel premium, even when they use the same colors, fonts, and sometimes the same information? Most of the time, the difference is simplicity. When a design is crowded, the brain must work harder to process the information. It increases cognitive load and it reduces clarity. And it is obvious that when the brain works harder, the design feels cheap. Imagine using too many elements, too many messages, and competing visuals. Look at this design. You found that simplicity always reduces cognitive load, talking about the mental effort to understand information. When a design is simple, the brain processes the information easily, and put in your mind that what feels easy to process feels professional. Now let's see how we can design and fix these mistakes to get a clean design step by step. Therefore, go to File and create a new file using this dimension. Width, make sure it is 1080 pixels, and height 1350 pixels, and the resolution must be 300 pixels. And the color should be RGB mode. Then create a gradient background. If you feel tension, you can go to the internet and download it, depending on your choice. So let me press this one and go to adjustments, choose brightness and contrast, then follow these settings, then group and rename as background. Go to text tool and create a text. Make sure the font is, you can use your favorite fonts, but here I'm using Axforma bold for heading. Change color to this one, and this one let us be white. Transform this and make sure it is aligned to the center, and create subheading. And change the font to Grit Vibe. Of course, I like this font. Also make sure it is aligned to the center. Group them and rename as heading. Then you can lock. Let us create a margin. Change color, this, and the font to Axforma right. And here let us put a website. Get a phone number. Look visible. Let us make it bold. And change color around this. Let here press a social media and press embedded. Then you go to FX, color overlay. Okay. Repeat the same process to all icons. Then you go to FX, then drop shadow. To me, this is fine. Let us bring to the back. Then you go to File, press Embedded, press this object. Now we have to create a drop shadow around this object. What you should do, go to layer and create a new layer, then select brush tool. Make sure your brush look like this one, a little bit. Then color, make sure it is black. And let us add a simple details. To me, this is just a simple detail. Then go to filter, blur, and choose motion blur. Duplicate, press around here. Then you can add a lens flare. Go to adjustments, then choose a gradient. Make sure the style is radial. Color, do this color. And change to screen and reduce opacity around this. Now see, this is before and this is after. I hope you notice the difference. The information did not change, but the perception did. Simplicity signals control. It tells the viewers that the designer understands priority. If you dream to work hard on a premium brand, know that a premium brand rarely clouds their designs. They rely on space, they rely on hierarchy, and they rely on restraint. This is because confidence in design is often expressed through simplicity. And simplicity is not about removing everything, but keeping what matters, and here is where clarity increases, trust increases, and design begins to feel premium. Simplicity is not empty, it is intentional. If you want to design simple and premium, like this video and subscribe my channel for weekly tutorial, and comment if you have thought to share with the other designers.